I was doing some reading last night about exhaust leaks on this D16Y7, and it seems a common issue is that the cast headers, or should I say exhaust manifolds, crack. And I think that's because there's the catalytic converter built in on this motor right below it. You can see it there. So that heats up the whole cast exhaust manifold and it can crack. So that might be my issue. It might not be as simple as just a gasket replacement, but let's find out. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Heat shield comes off. Let's see if we can see any cracks. Oh yeah, you can see right there, the cylinder right here. I believe that's cylinder number 1. Completely rusted away. That's quite thin. I don't think welding's going to do the trick there. So we'll try some kind of epoxy, high temp epoxy, and see if that works. Most likely I'm going to have to just replace the manifold, maybe with something aftermarket. Let's see if it starts. Doesn't sound too hopeful. There we go. So there's absolutely a leak there. It's probably not idling nicely now because I had the O2 sensor unplugged. That smoke is just the penetrating oil burning off. I'm not fielding a leak anywhere else. Oh, you know why it's running rough? Forgot I unplugged those spark plugs. Let's try again. So we're gonna need another solution to stop the thieves. Okay, it's gonna run so much better on 4 cylinders instead of 2. Surprised it even started and ran on 2 cylinders. It's impressive. Gotta love a Honda. That's better. Now it's running on all 4. Now we're getting hot exhaust gas. That was one of the cylinders that was unplugged, absolutely. So you're taking off a big wheel on something on the Jeep. It's helpful to have your legs on either side of it to help brace it for when it comes off, because they're pretty heavy, but these are light, doesn't matter. So, rotors were not as good as they initially looked, but they don't seem to have a big lip. It's just the edges are kind of crusty. So these brake pads need to be replaced. Okay. Yeah, these pads have to be changed. Everything else seems solid though. And how do you know if your car is stable in jack stands? The old push test. Grab something that's structural and push. If it doesn't move, it's solid. Well, that's enough for this morning. Pick it up later when I have some more time. For now, I have a quiz to study for. See you next time. So I forgot about the EK hatch that we have here. It's part of the engineering custom vehicle team. I think U of T engineering left it here. says school on it. I believe that's them. And I grabbed the steering column from it, which should have those ignition switch bolts that I need. And I'm gonna grab the front pads now too. You can't argue with 3 parts, right? I don't know if these pads are gonna be good, but they seem to have more meat on them than the ones on my car. Let's get the passenger side now. Those look better than the other side, actually. Maybe I can clean them up. Guess we'll find out. Three, 2, 1, go!
Oh my god! No, it's a bad angle to stop! Oh god!
There's sparks!
Just leave it like that. The whole way. Just leave it the whole way.